Kids Learning Palace.
The Monkey and the Crocodile Story. Once upon a time, in the middle of forest, there was a river. In that river, there lived an old crocodile. One day, he was very hungry. Oh, it is very difficult to hunt on land now. Then he sat under a tree. A monkey saw the crocodile and asked, "Why are you so sad, crocodile?" Crocodile said, "I am very hungry but can't hunt." The monkey said, "Take some apples, they are very tasty." The crocodile said, "Thank you, dear monkey. Can you please give me these apples every day?" "Okay, crocodile." The monkey gave the crocodile some apples and the crocodile ate the apples every day. One day the crocodile thought to eat the monkey's heart. So he thought an idea. He asked the monkey, "My friend want to meet you." The monkey was very happy and said, "Yes, I will be very happy to meet him." He sat on the crocodile's back, but when they were in the middle of the river, he told the monkey that, "I want to eat your heart and now I will eat your heart." The monkey thought of a plan. He said to the crocodile, "But I forgot my heart on the tree." So the crocodile said, "Go and take your heart and give it to me." The monkey said, "What a foolish crocodile you are! How you can take the heart from the body? I give you so sweet apples, but I will never give you those apples now. You are not my friend." The crocodile was very hungry and realized his mistake. Moral: one should think thoroughly before taking any action.